We are welcome to Sam José. I'm Sam and this is
Jose.
And today we are in Clearwater, Florida, just outside of St. Pete, Florida and Tampa Bay, Florida, to enjoy the Tropics Boat Tour Dolphin sightseeing experience. We are incredibly excited for this because we're going to go out into the bay, we're going to search for dolphins, and we're going to enjoy a few adult beverages while we do both of those things.
For $5.
$5.
The drinks are $5.
Yeah. So this is their happy hour voyage, so we're excited about that, but we're also excited to go out and just see everything that they have to offer. We love dolphins too, so to see them in their natural habitat is incredibly exciting for us. Now, their website did say when we booked this tour that they are running at limited capacity. Masks are mandatory unless you're seated and enjoying the cruise. But other than that, we'll see what other safety COVID procedures that they have in place, as that's something that we are also looking at as travelers. We want to make sure that we're keeping ourselves safe while we enjoy these other offerings. All right, so I'm talking to you from Jose's chest.
Shoulder, my left shoulder.
From his left shoulder.
Jesus.
We're on the Tropics cruise, and we are enjoying it so far. It is an incredible little experience with just a nice little getaway out into the Gulf. The drinks are good. It's top shelf alcohol, and it's just enjoyable. So even if you don't have a drink, like, the views are great. It's not very crowded on the boats, especially on a weekday. So go ahead, if you're down here on a weekday, especially during COVID, experience it now. Because I'm sure during the busy seasons, these boats are packed. So come on down on a weekday and just get away and enjoy it. We are really enjoying this cruise right now. We're out in the open air. We're enjoying the water, the views of the coast and the Gulf. It's beautiful. I'm happy. I'm so happy right now.
Sam's happy, I'm happy, we're happy.
Jose said he's happy.
They can hear me, I'm right here. shouldn't be here, but we're doing it for you guys because we thought this was a pretty backdrop.
So we just finished our Tropics Tour boat cruise. It was the happy hour cruise. It was a great experience. We did see dolphins and we did have a great time.
I didn't think that we were gonna see dolphins, but on the way back, they had to do like a quick U-turn because the guy was like, "It's a miracle." It was really awesome because they were all playing in the water and then they were playing in the wakes, and it was actually a lot of fun to see those dolphins.
And we followed them for a little bit.
In their natural habitat, which was great. So, you know, not a lot of people get to see them in their natural habitat. And I know a lot of people don't like to see them in aquariums and all things like that, but, you know, the same behaviors that you see in the wild are the same behaviors that you see in captivity. They're not tricks, they're not taught any of that stuff. They just do that naturally.
We just ask it of them
but
when
it
they're
was
in
just,
a
but
habitat.
you know, it was great to see. It was lovely to see. I love that they were very cautious about their environment, and they were talking about their recycling things and the water. What is it? The water
For the
conservation things and all that stuff. So it was really great. They really do care about their environment. So if you guys are ever around, the Tropics Boat Tours are a great tour company to go out. Even if you don't see any dolphins, they give you a voucher to come back another time and check them out. Their drinks are great. The staff is great. They have the COVID things. You have to wear a mask if you're not within 6 feet. If not, just make sure that you're 6 feet away from people. But it is
limited
very
capacity.
There's plenty of space on the ship, boat, whatever. And yeah, it was great. It was a great experience.
We'd recommend it. We would do it again in a heartbeat. It was a really great 2 hours. I had a great time. I had a really good time. Just looking at the coast and the dolphins and all of it, it was a good little getaway out on the water. So if you're looking for it, I believe right now it's $26 normally, $16 for their 10th anniversary, but they've got some discounts and everything that you can look up. So go ahead and, like Jose said, dive into it and enjoy these type of offerings that these cities have, because they're unique and they're fun and they're specific to this location. And we're happy we did it.
Yeah, it was a great time. So let's get out of here before the cops come and kick us out. So.
And the sprinklers.
Because we are here and there are sprinklers and we gotta get wet. We did all this for you guys.
For you guys.
Ah.
I'm following you. Go, 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 go.
Okay, we made it. We made it. We were standing over there.
Let's go to the crosswalk.